This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Tuesday saw some elevated levels of price action for a number of heavyweight stocks, including perhaps most notably Goldman Sachs. Earnings news provided something of a mixed bag, with a miss in revenue estimates and a trading slowdown both serving to weigh. The stock opened lower, and whilst it did claw back some losses, still ended the session meaningfully down. One-day vol sat at 51.63% against 36.89% for the month. A cautious outlook in earnings news from healthcare giant Johnson & Johnson also saw elevated levels of interest in the stock, which finished the day almost 3% lower. 1 week vol here stood at 39.4% against 23.02% for the month. Keeping with single stocks, and the roller coaster at THG continues following Monday's news of a possible bid. Yesterday's earnings update rattled investor sentiment and saw the stock give back around half of its gains. That has the potential to make the takeover offer look even more attractive. One-day vol printed 335.05% against 231.3% on the month. And finally, precious metals gained on Tuesday following dollar weakness and a dip in yields on US Treasuries. Palladium was the biggest gainer here, with the underlying adding around 5% and pushing out to levels not seen since mid-February. One-day volatility stood at 56.16%, compared with 44.09% for the month.